Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Zoya Alma and Maniology MXM028. I'm using Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone as my base coat. And here is Zoya Alma. Oh, it's so pretty. Orange and hollow. Yes, please. It's so squishy looking too. Look at that. And this is the first coat. It is rather sheer. We're gonna just work with it. I'm gonna cap my free edge here. I'm having to pull my skin back so that I can reach it. At least I'm getting a little bit of free edge. I'm pretty happy about that. They're growing back healthy. I'm liking it. So our second coat of Alma, you can see it's building up, but I am gonna go ahead and do this third coat. Now if you had longer nails, it might take 4 coats, I'm not sure. But if I had my nails longer, I might would have used a similar base color and just put that as a topping. I'm going to be using this Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat for my top coat in between the layers, because you guys know I'm not done just right here. I'm going to be doing some stamping. I'll be using Maniology's MXM028, and this is an old Bundle Monster stamping polish, number 12. And I've got Braves Diva Game Over. Got my monocle stamper and my Maniology scraper out. And I'm just going to pull this sun image for my accent nail. I'm doing this image on my thumb, as you can see, and my ring finger today. Here we go. I'm going to try to line that up nice and centered. Pretty good. And then I'm going to clean this plate off, and I'm going to restamp in the orange color from Bundle Monster, which is now Maniology. So I don't know that this particular polish is still available. They may have renamed it. So I'm going to have to get this excess that I don't want off there with a piece of tape. And I know you're thinking, why are you putting orange on it? I wanted to kind of like dim the black so that it wasn't so stark. But I still wanted the orange look. I don't know if that makes any sense or not, but that's what my mind was thinking. This just kind of mellows it out a little bit. And I'm going to use this flower strip, and I'm going to put that down the sides of the rest of my nails, doing the same double stamping that I did on the accent nail. Got a little mess to clean up, but I'm just kind of running it down one side of the nail, and still leaving much of that Alma to shine. And here we go with the orange. Like I said, I just, I wanted something a little different, but I didn't want it to just be that bam in your face orange and black. I wasn't going for a Halloween vibe. I almost wanted tone on tone, but I wasn't quite sure how the orange would show up over the other orange, So we're just doing it this way today. Sometimes this girl gets crazy ideas in her head, But I really do like the way that this turned out. Love that image. I love those flowers in a row like that. Here we go. Line it up. Smush it down. Got a little flyaway on the end there. It's okay. And then again with the orange. And I might not needed to have shown you all the nails, but sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Just depends on how it's going in the recording room. There we go. And I've already got the black stamped on the pinky nail, and I'm going to show you the orange real quick. And ta-da! Done. Yay, no problems. I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get the excess stamping polish off of my skin and cuticle areas. This works so well. Doesn't always work, but normally I have good luck. And then I'm going to go in with my cleanup brush and just tidy up a little bit, kind of clean up those lines. Kind of got a little carried away with this one, but that's okay. I'll be using the smudge-free top coat from Maniology, and on these I'm just going over the design. On those other nails on the side, I'm not covering the whole nail with that. There's no point in it. I just don't want that design to smudge. And then we're going to top everything off with Moonshine Manny's Let's Go Top Coat, which I'm still enjoying. I'm going to keep my itty bitty free edge here. But I would love to hear what you think about this manicure. Oh, here we go. Woody's coming. Look, watch. He is not a one-trick pony. Look at that. So leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.